So we're in the interior of a crawl space, and Walter's going to explain some common insulation mistakes that we see. Walter?
So one of the first things that we look at when we're in a crawl space is look at the flooring insulation. And the first thing that we see is that the paper face is actually facing the outside. So this is incorrectly installed. The paper face should be facing the living space as it clearly states in the instructions.
Right there. So in this case, we have insulation that's both incorrectly installed and correctly installed within this crawl space. But as you can see from the sign, apply this side toward living space.